how to add services section to your website homepage on Wix. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. This is Wix, this is the homepage. Now go to the top right here, click on add and click section to page. Now after you click on section to page, all what you have to do now is simple. Just go right here and now scroll down until you find the services option. Click on it and choose a template. For example, I'm gonna choose, let's say, this one. It's look good, it's like slideshow. Now all what you have to do is edit your services from here. For example, service 1, service 2, service 3, and after you finish you can also change the header type. All those informations can be changed. And yeah, that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching until the end. See you later.